Hello YouTube, this is Syra. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to solve the red X on your Dell laptops. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this red X on your Dell laptop. For this case, I'm going to first come here and troubleshoot and see whether the problem can be solved. As you can see, it's detecting problems. It's looking for some problems to see, and for my case, the problem has not been solved. And for your case, I'm going to come here and fix the problem and verify the network operator and see whether the problem can be solved. Still, the problem is not fixed. So I come here on my PC, I right click, I come here on manager, I come here on the device manager. As you can see, you come here on network operators. As you can see, it's showing no wireless network available. So this means that the problem may be solved in maybe perturbed in the BIOS system. So for your case, you close even this. Then you switch off your laptop. For your case, you come here on Windows, you press the power button to shut down your laptop. For your case, you wait for the laptop to switch off. For your case, I'm working on a Dell Latitude E6400 series laptop. It can be any other Dell laptop which can be worked on. So for your case, I'm going to switch on my computer. I rapidly place F2 to go in the BIOS system. So you come here in the wireless networks, you double click, then you come here on the wireless switch, you switch on these wireless and these, then you come here on the wireless devices, you also do the same, you enable, then after you click apply and exit in order to save changes. For your case, you wait for the laptop to restart. As you can see, mine is restarting now. As I'm waiting for it to restart, to check and see whether the problem has been solved. I'm solving the red X on the Dell laptop. As you can see, now my problem has been solved. Here, you click on it and see whether, as you can see now, I'm having some wireless networks around me. I have Chris, I have Dave. Thanks guys for watching. This video has been helpful. Please subscribe on my YouTube channel. So you come here on the PC and you see whether it's been solved. You right click on your PC, you come to the manager, PC manager. You wait for it for some seconds since the windows have just started. And you come here on the device manager, you check and see, you come here on network adapter. As you can see now, it's Dell wireless 15 wireless has been detected. Thanks for watching this. This video has been helpful. Please subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you.